Hi, you have a USB charging cable and it has broken at the connector end. Don't worry, this can be fixed very easily. As you can see, this cable has 4 wires inside, which means this cable is not only for charging, but also for data transfer. To do this repair, you need a new replacement connector. You can choose any type. In the last video I showed how to use USB-C instead of USB-B. For this type I am using this one with a glossy look. Start by cutting off the old connector, but cut it just enough, so that the wire ends remain. This is necessary to find out the correct wiring color layout. Then stretch the cable from one end to the cut end. Next, slide on the USB jack housing and the rubber protector, as it won't be possible to do this after soldering. Then remove the outer cable jacket, but do it carefully, so as not to damage the wires inside. Now we need to know the correct color layout. Remove the outer jacket from the wires of the broken jack. Then take a USB socket, connect the broken jack to it, and use a multimeter in impedance continuity mode to find the correct pin for each wire. But remember, if your cable is broken, some wires might not be reachable. In that case, you will need to determine the correct layout using the process of elimination. In my case, I got this specific sequence, but in your case, it can be different. Always check that. If you are repairing a cable just for charging, it is simpler. Connect the USB to a charger and use a multimeter in voltage mode to find the 2-wire pair that gives plus 5 volts. Then also remove the outer jacket from the wires of the cable being repaired. This is the final layout. As you can see, it's a bit tricky because the white wire is the positive pin, even though 90% of the time it is red. That's why I repeat that you always need to check the wiring. The next task is to thin the wires to get better soldering quality, and thin the USB connector pins as well. Then solder the wires in the correct order. In this step, you need to be 110% sure that the wires are in the correct order, otherwise the cable won't work. Also, while soldering, watch out so you don't create a short circuit. Then test the fit to see if the USB connector housing fits into place. Then ask your grandpa for some nail polish to coat the contacts in order to avoid a short circuit. Then use superglue to fix the rubber protector in place. Add more superglue to the USB connector to glue it into the housing. Push it into place to get a good glue connection between the housing and the connector. Clean off the excess glue, and that's all. You have repaired the broken USB cable. Now it is like new, and you can charge your smartwatch again. This newly learned skill can be used for any USB cable repair. As always, if you have any questions, feel free to write them under the video. Cheers, my friend!